Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Ahrefs backlink profile and export disavow list step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Ahrefs website. Log into your Ahrefs account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Site Explorer tool. Enter your domain in the search bar and hit the search button. In the left-hand sidebar, find and click on the Backlink Profile tab. You will see an overview of your backlinks. Scroll down to view a list of all incoming backlinks. To identify which backlinks you want to disavow, analyze the quality of each link. Look for backlinks from spammy or low-authority sites. Select the links you wish to disavow by checking the corresponding boxes. After selecting your links, locate the export option at the top of the backlinks list. Click on the export button to download your disavow list. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or TXT. Once the export is complete, open the downloaded file on your computer. Review the exported list to ensure it includes the correct links. If necessary, edit the file to remove any links you no longer wish to disavow. To create a disavow file, format it according to Google's guidelines. Add domain before each domain you want to disavow. Save the final disavow file on your computer. Now, head over to the Google Search Console. Log in using your Google account linked to your website. Select the property for your website from your list of properties. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Disavow Links option. Upload the disavow file you created earlier. Confirm the disavow process by following any prompts that appear. Once submitted, monitor the impact of your disavow actions over time. Regularly revisit your backlink profile to stay proactive. This concludes our step-by-step process for withdrawing from Ahrefs backlink profile and exporting disavow lists. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.